pop up, and then when he get up, I could like, Miss, huh? Key. Oh. It's 7:49 na ng umaga, and sa labas, guys, alam nyo ba yung yamog sa Bisaya? The grasses are like moist, wet, or whatever we call it, yamog. That thing, it reminds me of farming again. We hate it like every time we go to the farm. Well, we live in the farm, but every time we go to our like area to do something, oh my god, or go to school, or early in the morning, whatever you do, or get some water. Hindi namin yan gusto, guys, yung mga kaming magkapatid. When you start talking to me, you just let out, you just get out. Anyway, kaming magkakapatid, ayaw namin yung kasi hindi naman talaga lahat ng area na dinadaanan namin malinis. May mga matataas na damo yun. So pag umaga, parang parang basa siya kahit hindi maulan dahil sa the fog, yung fog ba, yamo. So kukuha kami ng matataas na kahoy, at saka we have to shake all the leaves with the stick. Sometimes we go to school, half of my skirt is wet, the shoes is wet. So yun, naalala ko yan kasi nakikita ko white, puti talaga siya. Sobrang basa siya, tingnan. Puti siya. Nagre-reflect kasi sa sa araw. Tignan nyo yan, guys. I put that blanket to the bed. Ang nangyari, they drag it over there, and Misty was lying down up on that blanket. Ano ba to? Hindi nyo gusto doon? You don't like the blanket in your bed? Ay nako, kiguahon. Bring your blanket back to your bed, please. Bring your blanket back. I'm a monkey, I want banana.
Well, she ate, so she said, I ate, so I want something special.
Hi guys! Look, my husband is wearing the same thing. I gave him the sweater, guys, that coffee is life, something. Is that it? Coffee solves everything. Pero, sabi niya, pang babae daw yan, guys. They said it's good, it's for women. I asked him, why is it for women? Because there is like there's something inside in it, like when you bought a for women, there's something inside that you can hang or something. I don't know what is that for all about, like that clear one.
Women's department should have said something.
No, it's not the women department, hon. I got it for your in the guy department.
I know, but it was the only one there because some woman dropped it there.
But you can wear it in the house, hon. You don't have to go out. Of course, Hubs is staring, hon. Guys, I'll tell you a story, guys. You know, we have an airbed here because that's what we're using for now. So the airbed that we use, Hubs last night, you know, she's like,
Hey.
he's all over the place. He's all over the place in bed, on top of the bed. So he kind of slipped down, like he's going to fall down, and he doesn't want to fall down, and he grabbed the air bed. He grabbed in the side, like just to hold himself. So he dig, you know, his nails dig in there, and then there's a little tiny hole, and we don't know that there's a hole. So this morning, I think that was 2 o'clock in the morning, Tommy woke up because he wanna come down because of the dog. And oh my god, guys, when Tommy moved, we're all rolling all over the place. The bed is like very lumpy, guys. Like I go to like, what the heck is this? Like, oh my god, na ano kami, guys, nagligid na kami, guys. It's so funny because it's just like I said, what the heck it is. I'm so mad. I was really mad to Hubs, guys, that when I know he bought it.
Come on there.
So the airbed, it become very lumpy. You know, when you have a airbed and then it's kind of lumpy, like very lumpy. So Tommy is heavier, so I kind of like on top of him. Like not on top of him. It's like he put his body is really down because of the airbed, and then I become like in a pop up, and then when he get up, I come like when he get up, guys, I suddenly pew. boom, it go down to the floor. And then
Well, this turkey went quick. 1 pound of turkey in one day.
Hon,
Pound
stop
of turkey
giving
one day.
it. Stop giving it now. So I kind of like, sus lumigid ako guys. Patungong baba. So what we did is put the air back. So every 2 hours, the air bed is like going, because it's very tiny hole, because when we feel it, it's a little tiny cold air coming out. We go like this. I feel it.
That's it. No more.
So before Tommy go today to the other house, kailangan niyang lagyan ng, I don't know what because when Tommy got that airbed, it go with how do you call it? Patch? A patch kit. So there is a patch kit that it's a small one. It need to be like plug in there, like need to be patch. Ay nako guys, naloka ako guys. When Tommy get up, that's the funniest thing. I don't wanna laugh, and you know what? I'm very unhappy with Hubs. I let him downstairs. I don't wanna sleep with him because I was kinda, when Tommy get up, that's the fun.
You did that on purpose. Not like you said, oh, let me pop holes.
No, because ay nako hon.
Oh, so that's right. You should have been said, oh, let me fall on my head.
Yeah, get full. And it's getting colder now, guys. It's cold outside. Winter is here. I wanna go to Walmart with Tommy because I want Tommy to have a haircut, guys. He needed it. He's working every day.
I don't like that haircut. I'm gonna find someplace else.
So where are you gonna go?
I don't remember.
But we need to do it now. This is the time, man. Cause he's working every day and talk to people, and he did like, and he have done like Kenny Rogers here. Oh, people see your Kenny Rogers, Han. Han. Kenny Rogers. You know Kenny Rogers, the KFC advertiser. Is that it?
Okay.
It's a songwriter, right? It's a singer-songwriter.
Yeah, it's country music, huh?
Yeah.
Look him up.
I like Kenny Rogers. That's what I played yesterday coming here. Guys, tapos na akong mag-cut ng pineapple. So, tikman natin to. Do you wanna tikim, Han? Han? Do you wanna tikim? You understand what I said, tikim?
I guess when we're trying to get out of pineapple. Make that guess.
Not really that great, but it's sweet.
Yeah, it's a little harsh from breakfast though. Yeah, that's a pineapple. A little tough on the stomach.
I remember, Han, can I just tell you something, honey? My grandma have a big land, and most of his fruit is jackfruit and pineapple. And we eat this every time, but that's really sweet pineapple, okay? Because it's a very sweet, it's small pineapple, guys. You know, Filipino pineapple is small. Just like us, everything is small. And so it's like it's just we keep eating it with salt usually. We Filipino use it's good with salt, the pineapple. And oh my god, we eat it, and then suddenly our lips, guys, burning. Keep eating pineapple, our lips burnt. You wanna go?
I'll put my coffee out. I'll heat it up and then I'll go back. Come on, Pop.
We go this way, honey. Come here. We're gonna come. We go to the front of the house. We never go there. Front of the house.
Come.
Come.
He says, oh, different door.
Different door. Yeah. Missed it. No. Roxy, you listen. Miss. Huh? Yeah. Okay. You listen to my mistake. No. Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin. Sobrang napagod ako. Akala ko sobrang lamig sa labas, pero pala pag naka-sweater ka na at saka ginagrab ka ng aso, sobrang init at saka napagod ako at nagutom. Tamis like, why are you talking Tagalog now? He's like, kahit yung Tagalog ko bakikawi, Tagalog pa rin. Nanginginig na ako sa gutom. Ay, you need a haircut, baby. I thought we're going to do a haircut. Hi guys, 5:30 na guys, ganun pa rin. Ganito pa rin Tommy is trying to fix the water pressure, pero hindi niya maano kasi sira yung ano, yung something in there. I don't know, sira daw yung ano. Iwan ko kung ano, pero sira daw yun. Hindi niya maano yung water pressure. So, ngayon, yung kama naman, yung airbed na nabutas ni Habs kagabi, yun naman ang inano niya. Pero wala kaming glue. Kasi may kasama na yung pang tapak, pero dapat daw may glue. PVC glue. Wala, naghanap pa siya. Pero guys, ano na, 5:30. So, magluluto na lang ako ng salmon para sa panihapon dinner. So, yun lang. Nandun sa taas yung asawa ko. Tignan niyo ito. Hoy, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo? What are you doing? What are you doing? Fatty dimp? Fatty dimp? No, fatty dimp. Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Hi! Are you coming up here? Are you coming up to baby? Oh, the other one is coming too. Of course, Rox, you can come. Go say hi to Dada. I'm not gonna go in Dada's game dress. Okay, bye. Bye, guys.
Where are you at?
Oh, it's not leaving yet. Where's your ID? It's ID. He always have that ID from work. Because you cannot get in without ID.
Because it's an electromagnetic card.
Oh, electromagnetic card. Ah, so it's not just a simple ID. It's a magnetic.
It opens all lock doors.
Ah, okay.
And this tells them who went to which one, what time.
What are you staring at, Mitz?
You leave it and you wear my feet.
Are you kidding me?
Nobody leaves this house without opening up a treat.
She just have her freaking turkey.
Nobody leaves this house until we get a treat.
She just had turkey.
I'll get my other wire on the charger.
Oh. Make sure that you have your phone, hon. It's not in the basement. My ear is hurting, hon, right here, oh. It's connect inside and hurt. Did you see, can you see my eyes? It looks like tired eyes, right? I can't see it myself. Not enough sleep. 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm rolling in bed. Rolling out. No,
I never saw a patch kit that didn't come with glue.
No, because I thought it's a stick, hon. It's you have to peel up and stick.
No, usually comes with a little glue and a scraper, But apparently because of government regulations, because of terrorist crap, they're worried about the glue might be poison or some kind of terrorist.
8:30 na. Kakaalis lang nila, guys, and marami akong pimples, oy, maybe because I put so much oil on my face or something. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Salamat sa panonood, guys, at saka yun, salamat sa panonood. At bukas naman tayo magkita-kits. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. With that, guys, I put the remote. Oh my God, nakalimutan ko na naman itong cellphone ko. I put the remote aside, but of course I don't shut the TV off. Hi guys, good night. Guys, guys, if you like the video, and bye. Good night, guys.
So the only one gear I had left after they fixed it, I didn't have that gear, but I had front gear, so I was against the wall. I was against a stone